Hey there everyone, welcome back to Measure and Mix. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If you're new here, my name is Jessica and welcome to my channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything new. Today I am participating in a $10 spring DIY challenge with Belinda Soto, Josie from Life at 50 and Beyond, Araceli Chan, Kristin Kay, and Mona Lisa from GreenCrystalRose. Each of us chose a different room to create a spring DIY for to give you guys some inspiration on decorating your home for the spring season on a budget. Their links are down below in my description box so you can check out their videos and see what rooms they chose and what they came up with. The room that I chose was the bathroom, and I actually created two different DIYs or ideas for the bathroom, each of them costing $5, and everything was from the Dollar Tree. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. So for the first part of this DIY, I'm going to be making a soap dispenser out of this candle holder from Dollar Tree. I am going to use this specific soap from Dollar Tree because of the shape of the bottle, and I'm going to be cutting the top off of this bottle with my X-Acto knife attached to my wood burning tool to make it easier to cut. But if you didn't have that, you could use an X-Acto knife and heat it up with a lighter to cut through the plastic in the beginning to make it a little bit easier for you. Here I'm just measuring where I'm going to be cutting the bottle off here, and I went ahead and dumped the soap out in a separate container so that way I could use it for later. And then I'm just cutting the top of the bottle off with the X-Acto knife. Now I just went ahead and washed the top of that bottle off that I cut there so that way it would be easier to handle and not so slippery and soapy. And now I'm inserting it into the candle holder, and then I'm going to take some E6000 and I'm going to go around the inside rim of the candle holder, and then I'm going to go ahead and take my hot glue and add some glue there so that way I don't have to wait for the E6000 to dry. Then I'm just going to pull on the top of that bottle and pull it up so that way it attaches. Now I'm just going to take my soap and fill the jar back up. Once the soap dispenser was filled up, I just took the pump from the old soap dispenser and I cut off the bottom so that way it would fit all the way down into the jar. And then I just screwed the pump on. And then that way I can unscrew this pump and refill the jar with soap and use this year after year. Now to cover up the plastic part and give this more of a spring look, I used 5 of these peonies or peonies, however you say it, from Dollar Tree. They come in a bunch of 5, and I just attached them around the candle holder with some hot glue, and that was it. This little soap dispenser cost me $3. Since I had a couple dollars left over, I decided to use another one of these candle holders to match my soap dispenser, and I picked up a pack of these microfiber washcloths from Dollar Tree, and I rolled up 3 of them and just placed them inside the candle holder. Then I took the last one and decided to do a little origami, and I watched a few YouTube videos and then I kind of just made up my own thing to make a little birdie. So I just folded over the 2 corners to meet, and then I rolled up the washcloth to that corner where I folded the 2 at, if that makes sense. And then I want to make sure that I'm kind of rolling it pretty tight so that way it stays together. And these microfiber washcloths are the best to use for these. The other washcloths are a little too thick, so this worked out good. And then I want to make sure that that little bit of corner there is sticking out because that is going to be the little beak of the birdie. And then I'm going to pinch the two sides together to make the head. And then I'm going to bring up those two sides in the back there and cross them over each other. And then pull them inward towards the head and pinch it all together. And then I just took a rubber band. You could use a piece of twine or a ribbon if you wanted to be more decorative, but a rubber band works, and I just wrapped it around there. And then I just tweaked it a little bit and pulled it apart. It kind of just pulled out the little wings to make them look a little bit better, and then kind of just made it stand up on its own just by pressing down on it. And that was it for the little birdie. So this is how it all looked together, my little soap dispenser. I think it looks really springy, and the little birdie turned out so cute and is perfect for spring as well. And then you have a little holder for the extra washcloths. So I really love how this turned out. I think it is super cute, and it only cost me $5 to put all of this together. So this last idea is super simple and easy, and it is farmhouse. You could actually use this all year long in your bathroom decor if you wanted to. All I'm going to do is take one of these white bowls from Dollar Tree and write the word wash onto it with my Sharpie paint pen. You could use a regular Sharpie marker if you didn't have a paint pen. And if you wanted to seal the lettering, you could paint this with Mod Podge or bake it in the oven. Now to add some decor to the bowl, I just picked up one of these natural looking sponges from Dollar Tree. I love these things. I think they just look so farmhouse, and I just placed it inside the bowl there. And then Dollar Tree also sells some really nice, good smelling hand soaps. This one is oatmeal and coconut. I just took it out of the box and placed it on top of the sponge in the bowl. And then to give this more of a spring look, I picked up a bunch of this lavender from Dollar Tree, and I'm just cutting off some of the stems and placing them inside the bowl. And then I just placed the bowl on top of one of these little bar towels that come from Dollar Tree because I think they are just really nice and simple and look farmhousey. And I love how this turned out. I think that this could be used all year long, and you could change out the floral for different seasons if you wanted to. But I love how this turned out, and again, it only cost me $5 to do this whole little setup, and I think it is a really nice piece of decor for a farmhouse bathroom. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed these ideas on how to spruce up your bathroom for spring on a budget. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the other ladies' videos linked down below in my description box, and I will see you guys next time. Take care, bye bye!